guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now in this video we're going to be talking about a study pool, right? We'll discuss on what this platform does and how you can basically participate here. Now before I do that, it is important to let you know that I do not work for study.com and I've never received money from them. So this review is basically based on the research that I did and from other people's opinions. So at study.com, you can actually participate either as a teacher or as a student, right? So as a teacher, of course, you will be doing a lot of things like probably helping students with their studies and like also helping the platform to prepare for some sort of a library and courses and things like that. Whilst as a student, you'll be learning a lot of different subjects here and like doing different modules. You'll be actually getting some extra lessons on this website, right? So you study for class and is your test prep and a college credit. So that's the best thing about this platform. Teach your class. Here you get lesson plans, right? If you don't want to prepare some lessons or something like that, you can actually get them prepared here. And if you have a kid, you can actually homeschool your child, right? There are people that help you to teach your child, then things like that. So I did a bit of research on study.com and it has 4.3 stars out of 2,901 reviews, which is awesome. I'll say a lot of people do have a positive experience with this platform. So you can actually read some of these reviews to kind of get like a certain view of what other people actually think about this platform. So on study.com, on their homepage right here, if you scroll down right and you go to about us section, if you scroll down right here, you will see different options like careers, teach for us. So if you are a contractor, which means you want to work for them, teach for them, possibly help them create some study guides and courses and things like that and lesson plans, then you need to click on this part called teach for us. And if you're looking for an actual job like with them, a long-term job within the platform itself, then you can come to careers right here. They do have a bunch of jobs. So what are the courses that you're likely to learn or create here? These might include arts, business, computer science, education, and so on. Then the subjects, of course, something. Then the teachers, you can get accreditation, right? Like certification. Actually, if you do like a course here, they do provide you with a certificate after doing a certain course. And they also have like what the resources that you need. If let's say you're a teacher and you're actually looking maybe for certain guides for teacher, you can actually come here. They offer like skill practice, lesson plans, and things like that. Then on certifications, they offer teacher certification exams. So you take these and you get a certificate after that. Then we've got nursing exams, real estate exams, military exams, finance exams, human resource exams, and so on. Then on college degrees, they offer college credit courses. They also partner with universities and other schools as well. So here you can actually see, if you come here, like the actual positions that are actually opened. So what are the benefits of online work as a study.com contractor? First of all, you have flexible hours, so you work whenever you want, wherever you want, right? That's nice. And you have reliable payments. So payments are done on a timely, reliable manner. You get paid twice per month. And then you have a supportive staff, right? They have a team that will assist you in a lot of things. And the type of jobs that are available include these, right? That is lesson writing and curriculum design. Then if you are interested in this, you can apply here. I said if you found a place to teach from home on your own time, we are looking for teachers with solid expertise to help build the study.com library of lessons and courses that make education accessible to millions of students. Then you can actually apply as a question and answer helper, where you help students struggling with difficult questions from their home, right? Like things like math. Some students might require some extra help there, so you can apply here. Then if you want to help with the research in copywriting, if you're a freelance writer who's much into copywriting, this might be another job that you can do. You can also do reviewing and editing as well. So some of the jobs that are currently available on this platform include these ones, right? So the first one is about business and finance assignment grader. The contract is from India. The business and finance assignment grader, so Philippines. A data analyst, Philippines. Most of these are kind of India, Philippines, and also the US as well, right? So that different types of contractor jobs that you can take here. So you can see some different places in Mexico and so on. So make sure that you check from this part and see which jobs are actually available for your own country. So what contractors love about study.com. So I can actually read some of these comments by the people that actually work here or have worked here. And this one called Nicole said, as a contractor with study.com, I can set my own schedule and work with complete flexibility. I love reviewing different subjects every day, learning about interesting topics, and knowing that I'm helping students succeed, which is a nice thing, right? And then in terms of creating an account, right, here you can, and this part said, what best describes you? What are you going to be doing here? You can choose one. Are you going to be a student, a teacher, a parent, a tutor, or anything like that? So once you've chosen, it will take you to the next question. What is your goal? Supplementing my in-class material, teacher certification, exam prep, professional development, and things like that. So yeah, that's basically all about study.com. Right, so I encourage you to do a little bit more digging by yourself and see if this thing is actually worth your time, right? Because this will actually help you to get some insights on what it looks like to work on study.com, and so that you don't waste your time anyway. So guys, that's all about study.com. And again, thank you for watching this video. And until then, see you on the next one.